I dedicated all my life till my death. I said, try to make a little contribution, as much as I can, to bring more inner peace, to enter 7 billion human beings. That, you see, we have to work. So then change start from individual. So then, on that sort of belief, you see, one individual's effort will not change world. But we must start from where? From individual. That's I believe. That's my belief. So each of us, part of 7 billion human beings, clear goal, happy humanity, peaceful humanity, ultimately compassionate humanity, through awareness, through education. So then, firstly, we individual, we should practice these things. Then make example to other. Then more and more people. You see, share your experience. From one person, at least their family members, their friends, 10 people. Each 10 people share with their friends. That means 100 people. 100 people, same way, 1,000 people. And 10,000, 100,000, million, 100 million. That's the way. This change, we have to work. Some change. Everybody, you see, in their everywhere we say, peace, peace, peace. Not much thinking. What is the destroyer of peace? Anger and self-centered attitude. Now, how can deal that? Nobody thinking, not much thinking this line. So firstly, in order to achieve compassionate humanity, each of us have some sort of possibility to make some contribution.